Today's video is going to be focused on the effectiveness of edible UV protections and how to make the most of them. Aren't you guys excited? I am too. Hi Wishtrenders, welcome back to Wishtrend TV. I'm your new host, Jian. Thanks to all the love you gave me on 4 reviewers, I'm back as a new host. Thank you so much. Oh, also, do you ever get curious what hair color will suit you best? If you do, make sure to check out What's Trending video. Episode right there. Eunice explains it so well. So, what do you think today's topic is? It is inner beauty. Watch till the end if you want to know what inner beauty is and what product there is. Also, make sure to comment down below if you like the video. First, let's learn what inner beauty is. Inner beauty refers to attaining natural beauty through taking care of one's health rather than obtaining temporary beauty. The inner beauty market is growing quickly every year in the global market. Before, people only thought of them as a health supplement. However, it is now revealed through studies that stress, sleep, active oxygen, and UV rays, dryness, and so many other more are having close relationship with skin's health. That's why these products are slowly becoming known as supplements for skin's health. Inner beauty food has so many functions. Shall we take a look? Nourishes the skin, helps with weight loss and bone health, detoxifies, is an antioxidant, moisturizes, improves skin elasticity, strengthens the immune system, improves wrinkles, protects against UV rays, and more. What? There's a UV protection product? How does it work? This is my random guess. It increases the melanin pigment in the skin to block UV rays. Or sweat and sebum and other fluid gains a UV blocking power to block UV rays. Or does it block UV rays and prevent damage by repairing UV damaged skin? Anyways, I can't believe you can get protected against UV rays with something you eat. That's so cool. That's why today's video is gonna be focused on the effectiveness of edible UV protections and how to make the most of them. Aren't you guys excited? Yeah! I am too. Edible UV protection first came out in 2010. I heard they're gaining popularity in such places like the US or Japan and Korea. As much as they are popular, there are many products on the market, such as HelioCare, No UV, Sundots, and many more. There are various ways to ingest them. They even come in capsules, or you can even drink them. If you had any interest in inner beauty, you probably somehow heard about this. Now, this is where I get my question. Does edible UV protectants has the same strength as a UV protectants that we apply? Let's find out how edible UV protectants work. There are so many different types of edible UV protectants. Of these, here are some of the most well-known. Fermented honeybush extract, antioxidant effect. Polyphenol, antioxidant effect. And lycopene, antioxidant effect. Polypodium leucodermose extract, antioxidant effect. Astaxanthin, antioxidant effect, and brightening. Very scientific. I analyzed the various edible UV protectants and looked for information on them. There was no special ingredient that worked as well as I imagined it to, but it does seem to prevent UV damages such as burns and oxidation. Therefore, I recommend edible UV protectants for those who want to have a double shield of protection by also applying a layer of sunscreen. If you eat and apply UV protectants, you should have to worry less about UV damages, right? Inner beauty. What do you think is the best food for UV protections? Want to find out? These are the inner beauty foods that Wishtrend TV recommends for you. First, tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which prevents UV damage and increases the skin's resistance to UV rays. When I was a little girl, my grandma used to sprinkle sugar on sliced tomatoes and it would taste like heaven. And since then, I like tomatoes, but you know, if you want to eat healthier, maybe you should just put out the sugar. 2. Cabbage and broccoli. Cabbage and broccoli contain a substance called sulforaphane, which acts as an antioxidant and even prevents skin cancer. Wow. You know, I kind of like broccoli. I don't hate them. So like, if you see the movie Inside Out, the main character Riley hates broccoli, so she even has nightmares because of broccolis. But you know, I can't relate. I like broccolis. While there are a lot of foods that can protect you against UV rays, we recommended the most easily found and safe food. If you guys know any other food that are also good for UV protections, please let us know on the comments down below. Also, don't forget, while it's important to eat these UV protectants, it's equally as important to apply UV protections as well. When going out for a long period of time, don't forget to put on sunscreen. Let me summarize this video for you. First, if you're concerned about UV damages, we recommend you to eat UV protectants such as tomatoes, cabbage, and broccoli. Second, if you're planning to be outside for a very long time, make sure to put on sunscreen. As we mentioned you before, doing this along with the inner beauty will lead you to a better effect. This is the end of our video. What did you guys think about today's inner beauty video? We'll test out if they really work and find the best way to use them. If you want to see more video about inner beauty in the future, make sure to leave your suggestions on the comments down below and also share it with your friends. Our next video is going to be an episode of Wishtrender We Got You. We're going to share how to get different base makeup looks only using one cushion. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye-bye!